Hi, Sketchlab friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're drawing the cutest push-up pop to ever exist. It's rainbow, it's drippy, and well, is that an axolotl on top? It sure is. Let's get started. So we're going to start off creating the cylinder for the top of the push-up pop. We're going to draw these two dots in a foreshortened circle. We are going to be using construction lines today, so I would suggest draw lightly. So now that we have that foreshortened circle drawn, we're going to draw the sides of the push-up pop. We're going to try to match the same curve. This line that curves down. And we have a cylinder. So we like to draw shapes and forms. And now we're going to start working on the base of the push-up pop. So there's a plastic cylinder and a little plastic stick. As you know, if you push up, it pushes the popsicle up out of the tube. And once again, we're matching these lines that curve down. And then here's going to be the little plastic stick. And now we're going to go ahead and add those little drips. So this is a great example of how we can start off with a basic shape or form, and then we start to alter its outline. Warning, may cause sudden urge to lick your screen. Please don't. Okay, so this is going to be like the left cheek of our axolotl. And then this is our right cheek. You see how the right side curves out to the right? So the shape of the head is a little watermelon shaped today. Watermelon shaped oval. A little bit of the body. This is going to be in 3/4 view, so we are going to see a little bit of the side of the body on that right hand side. And this is our first little arm. Our little axolotl is chilling. There's the other arm. This one's a little bit bigger because it's closer to us. And now we're going to start the eyes. So I want you to pay attention to the size and placement of these shapes. It's called proportions. And giving them that wonderful smiley face. And our axolotl is starting to glow up today. Kind of using these oval shapes. Once again, pay attention to the proportions. How big are these shapes in relationship to the head? So it's not just about drawing the shapes. We want to make sure we're getting this about the same size too. We'll do one more little oval shape. And the little tail. And you can see this overlapping creates more space. It's one of our elements of art. Now we're going to go ahead and outline. Because we did use construction lines today, you might want to wait to check my final outline. See what is supposed to be erased and what is supposed to be outlined. And I'd like to apologize. My camera cut out during recording today because I make so many videos. But you can see we're using 3 values today. So I have light pink, pink fuchsia, the colors of the rainbow. So I'm using a lighter and darker values. So for instance, like robin green and emerald green. You can see adding highlights with the white marker on the stick there really makes it pop, makes it look more 3-dimensional. Well, hey guys, you got to sketch them all. Check out the full playlist in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.